Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something that's a total game changer for content creators, developers, and anyone who's ever needed to turn text into high-quality audio, fast and hassle-free. Introducing play.ht, the AI-powered voice generator that promises to shake up how we create audio content. Imagine having a massive library of ultra-realistic voices at your fingertips, and even being able to clone your own voice for those unique, custom projects. Intrigued? You should be. I'm going to give you a full tour of this platform, break down its standout features, and see if it really delivers on its bold promises. Ready? Let's jump in.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a new text-to-speech tool that's been making waves lately, play.ht. If you've been using tools like ElevenLabs or other TTS software, you will definitely want to stick around for this one. I'm going to walk you through what play.ht can do, share some real audio samples, and show you why it might be the perfect addition to your content creation toolkit. So let's get into it. So what exactly the play.ht is? At its core, play.ht is a text-to-speech software that focuses on creating natural human-like voices. It's designed for anyone who needs high-quality voiceovers, whether you are making YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or even integrating it into a software as a developer. So now you might be wondering how it stacks up against other TTS options like ElevenLabs, for example. Well, I spent some time with both, and it can say play.ht really brings something new to the table. It doesn't just generate voices; it adds depth, emotion, and inflection, making it sound like a real person. Let's talk about the features. To do so, we just go and jump into the software itself. Okay, first off, play.ht offers three different models for generating voices. The standard play.ht, play.ht2, which is more conversational and realistic, and multilingual model. Okay, so whether you need a professional narrator or a friendly conversational tone, you got both options. Okay, they also added just recently play.ht 3.0. Okay. But we'll stick to play.ht2 model because that's what we'll be using in this video. Which is I think, in my opinion, is personally, I really love it. They can handle emotions and conversational speech incredibly well. You can adjust the speed, okay, and also tone, and even add subtle nuances like breathing to make it sound more natural. That's something you don't see very often in those tools. Okay. Another highlight, play.ht works with over 100 languages. So if you are creating content for a global audience, you're covered. You can seamlessly switch between languages, which is perfect for multilingual projects. All right, enough talking about this. Let's listen to a few samples so can you hear you for yourselves. So I'll go back here, okay, once again to the home page. And here's a quick demo of a conversational AI voice from play.ht.
Thanks for calling play.ht. How can I help you today?
Hey, yeah, I just bought a subscription with play.ht and I'm not sure how to activate it.
Okay, sure. To activate.
Pretty smooth, right? Now let's switch it up. Here's more narrative tone.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a little fairy named...
Okay, it's impressive how well it handles different tones. It doesn't sound robotic. It sounds like someone else really talking, actually, telling the story. That's the level of quality we're talking about here. Okay, one thing I really like about play.ht is the level of customization. Let's go back into the software itself. Okay, you can tweak this speed. Okay, you can do it here. All right. And tone. You can also preview different voices before you commit to using them. There are many voices available. So if you are not sure which one you want to use, okay, which voice will suit your project best, you can try out a few and make your own pick. Okay. The software also offers a unique feature called voice cloning. Okay, there you go. We don't have any clone voice here. Okay, but we can definitely do it like here, for example. Okay, it only takes 30 seconds to do you to clone your own voice. All right. So if you need to create a voice of your own, okay, play.ht can do that for you. For those interested in adding a unique touch into their project, this can be a game changer. Let's talk about pricing. One of the biggest advantages of play.ht is that they offer a range of plans that cater the different needs. They got you a free plan, which gives you a 12,500 characters per month, perfect if you are just getting started and want to test the waters. Then there is a creator plan, okay, which is a $39 if you go monthly. This one offers up to 250,000 characters, which is approximately about 6 hours of recording per month. Okay, that's loads. You can have access to all the voices and allows you for commercial use. Obviously, on the free plan, you have to attribute to users. Okay, so you have to attribute to play HD. This creator plan is a solid choice if you are just regular producing content. And if you need even more, the unlimited plan has you covered with unlimited characters, faster generation, and access to high fidelity voice clones. It's $99 a month, and it's really aimed to heavy users who needs a lot of flexibility. You also can talk to the guys for the custom pricing if they're for enterprise. Okay, now you might be thinking this all sounds great, but is it easy to use? Obviously, one thing that sets play.ht apart is how intuitive it is. From the moment you log in, everything is clearly laid out. You can easily create your new voice files, select different models, and even adjust the speed and tone without going through endless settings. Okay, there you go, got advanced, and it's so easy. All right, compared to some other tools that requires a lot of fine tuning, play.ht feels very user friendly and works well right out of the box. Okay, if you are just the type of who likes to get things done quickly without spending too much time tweaking, you are going to appreciate this one. Okay, as an example, I just want to show you guys a quick script I want to create just to show you what's possible. Okay, but first let's go in. Now I just want to show you a quick example of what can be achieved using this tool. Okay, there are few voices we can choose from. All right, like for
Hey,
example,
I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the.
accent.
All right, so teaching subtraction to a kid,
It's a British accent. Okay, let's take with its Irish accent here, and now let's go and generate speed. That's how quickly you can go. You can choose the speed. You can do some advanced options here, but let's leave it by default and go and generate speed. After a minute, our recording is ready. So let's go and listen.
Play. Tu offers realistic AI voice generation, text-to-speech tar for various languages, and audio customization. It's ideal for content creators.
There you go. That's a very human sound like voice, isn't it? It's amazing that AI actually created the whole thing. If we want, we can regenerate it. We can add some emotions here. We can do the speeds, different speeds, and also we can do stability, similarity, intensity. We can do all those settings here. Okay, remember, if you're under the plans, like for example, this one is a free plan, I'll be deducted to this 212 characters because that was the length of this script, and that will be deducted from this 12,500 characters available for me. Okay, if you a heavy user, definitely it will go quickly for you, but it's absolutely amazing that they offering this one for free. Okay, guys, so I think in conclusion, I think it's in my experience, it's a great content creator develop for content creators, developers, and just someone who is looking for high quality text to speech solution. It has a lot of offer. Okay, and the best part, you can start for free. So guys, I will be leaving the link inside this description of this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.